Ladies and gentlemen, Pula Vinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. I would like to acknowledge the invitation made to my office here today to commission the 2 multi-drill rigs. The procurement of such magnitude was mandatory for the ministry due to the obsolete condition of the current drill fleet, which has gone beyond their service years of more than 30 years and has incurred higher maintenance cost. The truck-mounted XL 20-ton multi-drill rig was bought from Toa, Japan, and the small crawler 7-ton drill rig was bought from Mazenza Parola in Italy. I gather the purchase of this new drilling fleet is of the latest version. This purchase will boost and give effect to the mandated role of the department as well as the government stance on the sustainable goal SDG number 6 and the national development goal in ensuring the availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation. Furthermore, this project gives effect to Section 36 of the 2013 Constitution, which guarantees all Fijians be provided with clean and safe drinking water and in adequate quantities. Therefore, it is crucial that the advanced and new equipment is purchased to enable this provision. The ministry had undertaken a similar purchase in 2014, where a water well rig was procured from the supplier Fraste in Italy. Therefore, the procurement of the drill rigs strengthens the national development plan through the rural water supply program and is augmented to provide access to clean water in rural areas and to meet the target of 85% rural communities having access by 2021. It is crucial that this new advanced equipment was purchased to enable this provision. Moreover, this will improve the effective and efficient development of groundwater and its reticulation to schools, communities, and government stations in Vitilevu, Vanuatu, and the Maritime Islands. This investment has cost the government approximately $4.2 million, including the equipment's spare parts and the training, which shows government's commitment towards serving the people of Fiji. Moreover, for the last 2 financial years, a total of 528 households with a population of 3,107 in the Maritime Islands and villages, settlement schools have benefited so far from groundwater sources, some of which have experienced critical water shortages annually, especially during the dry seasons. Water is a very important resource for us human beings, so I challenge us all to seize this opportunity. Let's take stock of ourselves and ask, where are we in this changing global environment? What is our role in the development of our nation? I'd also like to add some personal experiences that I have seen through my tours and visitations around the area. There's a place in Tavua where the creeks have dried up and people access water from tadpole-riddled ponds that are left as a water source. So they siphon the water, remove the tadpoles and drink from it. It is a very sad reality for a country like us, which is surrounded by water. And we have a 200-mile EEZ, which is all water, and we have on land very little of that resource. Also in some other places where we go, where we drill boreholes, we can't get water even for 200 feet. There's places in outer islands where there's no fresh water source. So in modern times, it is very sad for us to say that a country that has got so much water, still we are unable to provide to our citizens. Therefore, from our own experiences, when we go around, and I've asked other ministries to contribute as well in our aim to provide water to people who do not have these benefits. And it starts upon us, as we say, that with the great power comes great responsibility. We have the power, we have the finances and the machinery. Now it's our responsibility to go out there, seek where there is no water, where people are deprived of this essential resource, for us to get them together, mine this, and provide reticulation to those areas. On the other hand, I would like to thank Mr. Jason Liang from the Mazenza Drill Rig, Italy, for conducting week-long training for our drillers. And I would also like to thank Nevis Motors for facilitating the purchase of this new drill rig. Such trainings are not readily available, and I hope the 2 weeks of capacity building in the areas of safe handling, operation, transportation, and routine services of the equipment will help you ensure the sustainability of the machines and its operation. Finally, I would like to remind all our drillers present here today, I believe we have about 18 drillers, to please look after our new drill rig and handle and maintain this new equipment in a proper manner. I believe Mr. Jason Liang from Mazenza Drilling and Mr. Yuichi Ikeda from the Town Corporation have trained you well to operate and also how to maintain this new MI3 drill rig and Top Tone 300, and I trust in all of you that you will use this training and the new drill rig to provide our services in a better and quicker way. With those words, I thank you very much. Vinakavakalevu and Dhanyawad.
Okay.